Welcome back, friend. This is the C++ tutorials. Yeah, for those who were there in the last C++ tutorial, we learned how you can write a C++ program to print all the numbers from 1 to n by using this condition, right? And we used this program that time to display those numbers. We will learn like this, and then we enter number like 5, means that we're going to print all the number from 1 to 5, and you see this is output, right? Yeah, now I'm going to show the alternative way to write this program, where we just use for loop control statement without need for if, right? Yeah, see on this example, these numbers are all the number from 1 to 10, right? And as you see, from these 1 to 3, they are different of 2, right? When we take 3 minus 1, we get 2. When we take 5 minus 3, we get also 2. Also, when we take 9 minus 7, we will get 2. Means that the interval between one number to another is just 2, right? So we can print this number without need if statement, right? Yeah, now let me create this if like this. Also, yeah, now like this, means that here what we're going to do is just to count this number from 1 to n, but I, which is equal to I plus 2, right? I plus 2. As you see, when we take this one as I, to get the second odd number, we just add 2 to this one, and we get 3. To get the next one, we take this plus 2, get 5, right? This is the sequence how numbers are sequentially, right? The difference between each two numbers is 2. That's why we take I plus 2, right? And then after we make I increment to 2, we have now to display our I as our odd numbers, right? Say out I. You see them? We need here space to make them clear, and then semicolon, right? So let us make compilation, and you see there is no error, you can run it, right? Once we run our program and we ask it to enter number, let us enter like 5. You see the odd number from 1 to 5 are 1, 3, and 5 like previous one, but we don't use like what we used before, right? Now we are just using for loop, but for increment I with 2, right? So also we can enter here like 10. Once we enter 10 here as our number, we get all the number from 1 to 10, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, as you see on this example, right? Yeah, this is our today's task. And please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Try to run it for yourself, and if you challenge it, please, I'm here for you. Let me know in the comment section. And if you are new here, please, it's time to subscribe to this channel, to like this video and share it to your colleagues so that they can access to our lessons. So see you in next video. Take care.